My money was a continual source of worry for years. I was paying late fees, squandering money on subscriptions I never remembered to cancel, and never making progress on my savings. I had the impression that I was constantly competing in a race that I would never win. I therefore made the drastic decision to automate every aspect of my financial life. My life was drastically altered by what followed, and it has the power to alter yours as well. Allow me to describe my previous financial situation. It was anarchy. I never even opened a streaming service that was costing me $15 a month. On one occasion, I paid a $40 late fee on a credit card bill that I had completely forgotten about. And my savings. I would tell myself, I'll save what's left at the end of the month. So they were always zero. However, nothing was ever left. Despite my best efforts, my finances were not cooperating with me. How did I resolve the chaos then? I created a straightforward, self-sufficient automated system. Step 1 is the incoming hub, paycheck. One straightforward rule serves as the foundation for everything. Every dollar I make goes into a single primary checking account. My whole financial system revolves around this account. Imagine it as the train station where my paycheck is delivered before being sent to all of its significant jobs on separate tracks. It's easier to see and manage when everything is in one location. Step 2 is the automatic split, pay yourself first. This is the most crucial section. The system starts working as soon as my paycheck lands in my primary account. I've set up automatic transfers that transfer a predetermined amount of money to my investment and savings accounts right away. Before I make any purchases or pay any bills, I do this. It's known as paying yourself first, and it guarantees that I'm creating my future without even considering it. Step 3 is the bill pay autopilot. My bills are then automatically paid. I have my main account set up to automatically pay all of my regular bills, including rent, phone, and electricity. This indicates that on the due date, the money is automatically transferred. I will never again have to worry about a late fee or remember a deadline. I feel completely at ease knowing that I have one less thing to worry about. Step 4 is the investment engine. Set and forget. The funds that are automatically transferred to my investment account are invested in a straightforward, well-diversified portfolio. The system automatically selects and manages the investments for me because I use a hands-off robo-advisor. I don't have to time the market or do stock research. It's a real set-it-and-forget-it engine that steadily increases my money over time while operating in the background. Step 5 is the weekly check-in, 5-minute review. I don't ignore my finances, even though they run autopilot. I do a brief 5-minute check-in once a week. I launch my budgeting app to confirm that all of the automatic transfers have been completed, my bills have been paid, and nothing appears to be amiss. This is merely a quick health check to ensure the system is functioning properly. It is not about worrying about every dollar. It keeps me in control and gives me complete confidence. After just 3 months, the results were incredible. I saved more than $1,000 without even trying. I never missed a payment, so my credit score increased. My peace of mind, however, was the greatest victory. There is no longer any ongoing worry about money. I've regained hours of my time and feel in control at last. My life was transformed by automating my finances, not just my bank account. Now, I must admit that not everyone is a good fit for this system. For it to function properly, you must have a consistent source of income and ensure that you always have enough money in your account to pay your automatic installments. You'll need to exercise much more caution if your income fluctuates each month. If your financial situation is still highly unpredictable, this might not be the best option, but it's ideal for someone who is sick of managing their money all the time. That's how I changed my life and automated my finances. What would you automate first? Tell me in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to Monetive if you liked this video and would like more easy money management advice. Thank you for viewing.